In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send money with Zelle using the Bank of America mobile app. First, open the Bank of America mobile app and log in with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. At the bottom menu, tap on Pay and Transfer. From here, select Zelle. Tap on Pay. Is this your first time using Zelle? You'll need to add a recipient. You can do this by entering their email address, phone number, or selecting directly from your contacts. Once added, tap Next and then Add Recipient to confirm. Now select who would you like to pay. Choose the account you want to send money from. Then enter your amount. Tap Next, review the details and confirm. Once everything looks good, tap Send. Your transaction will be processed and you'll see a confirmation that the payment has been scheduled successfully. And that's it. That's how you send money with Zelle in the Bank of America app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.